Rain hit Volusia County the hardest.
One South Daytona neighborhood banded together to prevent flooding. Our team coverage continues now with WESH 2's Ricky Klaus on how they did it.
Hoses stretched toward Reed Canal, sending floodwaters away from this Port Orange neighborhood.
We have about $5,000 in pumps and hoses supplied to that.
Jason Manley's community on Pike Court pitched in to buy a pump when other measures failed.
About 400 gallons a minute of water up to the street.
It took a group effort to set up the pump after heavy downpours overwhelmed the area overnight. Neighbors from the higher and drier homes even pitched in.
They helped ever since this morning, been out here in the pouring rain, all that stuff, helping us hook up hoses and all that, so the rest of us who sit down here at the end don't flood.
Manley's stepdaughter says this was a close one for their home.
My mom's car actually got flooded in the back seat.
Water seeped into a few neighbors' houses, but only made it to their potted flowers. The cleanup is ongoing. In Port Orange, Ricky Klaus, WESH 2 News.
And people across Central Florida have been documenting the water coming dangerously close to their homes. This picture was sent to us by a viewer in Port Orange, and you can send us your weather photos on the local section of WESH.com. And stay prepared this season with the WESH 2 Hurricane Tracker app. It has a threat meter, the latest forecast and models, and live social media updates. You can download it for free on your smartphone or tablet.